U.S. swim trials in Omaha beginning tomorrow. KXAN's Roger Wallace is already there.
Welcome to Omaha, hosting its second straight Olympic swimming trials. You ask, why Omaha? Well, primarily because of this arena, CenturyLink Center. Primarily for basketball, but they build a pool and it seats more than 13,000. Not your typical swimming venue.
It's something cool because it's not a normal pool. You know, it's not a huge natatorium that you normally walk into at a university. It's something different that you don't see every day. So it's fun. The first time I jump in there, it's just like, it feels great in here. It just feels like a great pool.
Behrens is one of many athletes with ties to Central Texas, including Eric Shanto. He trained for his first Olympics in Austin, which was also the time he was diagnosed with testicular cancer just before competing in Beijing.
You know, being a cancer survivor and going through what I did in 2008, I think has definitely shaped me into the person and the swimmer I am today.
You changed your training, you moved away from Austin, but I would imagine Austin has a special place, especially since you went through it when you were living and training in Austin.
Yeah, you know, when I was in Austin, the 4.5 years that I spent there, I mean, the things that Eddie and Chris at the University of Texas taught me with that program were just so invaluable, and they really helped me get to where I am today. And it was a very tough choice to leave Austin because aside from swimming, I love that city and I love living there. So it was a difficult choice to make, but it was one that I felt I had to do to really you know, change my training program and make myself uncomfortable in the sport of swimming again.
One of Shanto's biggest rivals is his old training partner, Brendan Hansen, who thought Beijing was the end of his career. But after 2.5 years out of competition, he's back looking to qualify for his third Olympic Games.
You know, in 2008, I was so fried upstairs and just like, I don't want to be here. This is not what I want to do. I've been doing it for 25 years. So when people tell you that swimming is so mental, and it's such a big part of your race, I think the biggest difference that people are going to see out of me going into these trials is the fact that I have a clear mind and that this is where I want to be and this is what I want to do right now.
Hansen and Shanto get after it tomorrow morning in the 100 breaststroke prelim semifinals in the evening. Hansen holds the Olympic trials record in the event. Shanto holds the American record. Top two finishers go to London. A lot more.